Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SmartVu. First, carefully unbox your SmartVu device and connect it to an available HDMI port on your television. Next, plug in the power adapter and make sure the device powers on. You should see an indicator light. Finally, use your TV remote to switch to the correct HDMI input where your SmartVu is connected. This will display the initial setup screen. Once you see the SmartVu interface, navigate to the network settings. Here, you'll find a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network from this list. Then, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Double-check for any typos to ensure a successful connection. A strong Wi-Fi signal is crucial for smooth streaming. After connecting to Wi-Fi, you'll be prompted to log in or create a SmartVu account. If you already have one, simply enter your username and password. New users can easily create a free account by following the clear on-screen instructions. Once logged in, you can link your favorite streaming services to customize your SmartVu experience and access all your content. With your account set up, take some time to explore the settings. You can customize your home screen, adjust display options, and manage privacy preferences. It's also important to check for and install any available software updates to ensure your SmartVu device runs optimally and securely. Finally, browse the App Store to download more of your favorite streaming applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.